Morning, everybody. I'm up today. Woke up, saw that I had a sale, and it's for some candy that I got from actually Dollar Tree. I took a chance. I was there one day, and I just grabbed a couple of them, five of them. Spent $5, and this particular item I sold for $8.99 plus shipping, which they paid $8.70. So they came out altogether 17 some change. So with all that, profited $10. So, and this is what it is. Five of them that's going out. Paid $1 a piece. $5 altogether. And so today, I didn't even have these that long either. I saved less than a week. And it's sold. So what I'm doing is I was about to get ready to print this label out until I seen that the flat rate envelope for the UPS is actually a cheaper way to go about this. So I went and grabbed one. So I'm putting them all in there and I'm going to ship that off. But let me show y'all pretty much how I found out this is cheap. Alright, here on my screen, as you can see here, the original, what I was going to choose was this USP mailing package, which would have been $7.84. But I see down here at the flat rate envelope that I have, it's actually $7.15. But before I even found out the flat rate part, I usually go over here to Pirate Ship, and I would usually see how much it is there, because usually it's cheaper for smaller packages that weigh a lot. And this was $7.35. I was just about to go there to choose that until I end up finding out that I can actually get it a little cheaper. So save some money, and I will be shipping this out flat rate. It gets there the same amount of time that the regular priority will be, and I'll be coming out with $7.15. What's up, everybody? It's Q again, back here with another Student for Life. See where I'm at now. I see my wife had to tell me I had to get my stuff out the way. I had that the living room filled with all my junk, man. All the stuff I've been getting. So I finally moved everything down in the basement. The little setup I got here. I just did all this. It's like 3 in the morning right now. So, well, about to be 4. And I got a couple sales that's going out too. So I'll show y'all in a minute, how my little setup is, what I got going on now. But this will be me until things probably move on even further. Maybe expand a little bit more. Probably need storage here. Probably start going into the garage or something. Or build a shed, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. What inventory slowly trying to get up, but selling things here and there as it goes. So it brings it down, and I gotta try to bring it back up. But it's a process, so I work with it. But anyways, let's get into one of the sales that I made. And this one is off my main account that I have. And it was a West Clocks large display alarm clock. It is right here. Right there. That's what's going out. I got this. The Goodwill. The last Goodwill shopping that I had before everything started shutting down. And I got this, I believe, for $4. And it's sold for $16.99, plus the buyer paid for shipping. No, I take that back. It was free. Okay. It was free shipping. So that's gonna go out, and put this in. I'll wrap it up in bubble wrap, then put it in a poly bag. It should be about believe probably like eight ounces or something like that, maybe between 8 and 12, something like that. I don't know, but probably be paying out about $3 or $4, maybe $3 to $4 for shipping on that. So it's pretty cool. So that's for that. And this right here, this is a 360-degree rotating faucet, like a spindle. You pretty much put this on screw this onto your faucet, and you can have a little, pretty much a shower stream or whatnot. It's pretty much filtered too at the same time. So I got this, man. I had this for probably a year now. I had bought this off of, this was when I was messing with AliExpress, and it's the early stage. This one I was had a Shopify store. I plan on hopefully opening that back up again, but I got this from just I didn't even really know much what I wanted to do anyways. I just bought a bunch of other stuff, probably like about $50 or $60 worth of stuff off of AliExpress, and just got it shipped here. And I was trying to put on the store I have for Shopify plus eBay, and all the stuff that I got from there, I've had still to this day have until now, and it's one of the things that sold. The other stuff I got, it was some phone cases, I think a nose trimmer, these toilet lights, like put on like a skirt of the toilet, and like it's like the lights change colors. And I think it's something else, I forgot, but y'all would know as I go. But this is the first thing out of that batch that I got from AliExpress in China that finally sold. And I had this for about a year, plus the other stuff that came with it. I originally had this probably, when I first put this on eBay, probably like $11 or $12 or something. I forgot, but I originally just dropped it down because this is on my second account. And my second account is pretty much nothing. I only got two feedbacks, so I'm trying to build that up as much as I can. So this is what this is on this account, and it sold for $7.99 free shipping, and I'm pretty much gonna lose money off of this. I pretty much just wanted to get this sold, and at the same time, if I'm gonna lose money, I'd rather do it on the new account that I have, and so I could just at least build the sales up, and then eventually everything else will come into play. So go ahead and put this in a poly bag. Same thing, probably weigh about 5 ounces, 8, 10 something. I'll be paying between $3 or $4 probably to ship this off to that customer. So with all that said, that's it for me as far as what's going out. I'll show y'all my setup, how everything is. Hope I have more news for you. So with all that said, I'm gonna let y'all guys go. I'm about to package this stuff up and get it ready to go out when I get up in the morning or in a few hours or whatever. And stay tuned for life. Learn from your mistakes. And I am out. Peace. What's up, y'all? Well, it's still the same day. I mean, from early this morning up to now. But I had got a sale today. Another one. It's for some feeding bags that we had left over from when my wife ended up having surgery, and she had to use these bags and whatnot. But all that's over, thank God. And now you just got extra, like a couple medical things that's just left over just sitting. So might as well just list them and have somebody else use them, because they're not gonna be used sitting here. So well, y'all probably see a picture of it by now, but that's what I sold. So therefore, I didn't source it from anywhere but the actual medical place that dropped it off at our house. So this is pretty much profit, even though somewhat, even though insurance paid for it. I guess still profit. Yeah. But anyways, that's what I got. So that's it for right now. If anything else transpire, I'll let y'all know. But if not, I'll see y'all later. So this is my setup I just put together. See, I got the lights here. And up here, I just screwed in them straps for the backdrop on each side. So when I'm ready, I just clip it on and hang it up. But that's for all the stuff that I got. I was crowding the living room. And you know, I guess that tells you, I guess I'm expanding a little. But not much to see, but this is what I got so far. Oh, and my scale I use to weigh packages on, and my label printer. I got the Rolo. So this is what it is. Hopefully things get even bigger.